Today, we're diving into an exciting comparison between two stellar smartwatches, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and the Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro. Both are eagerly awaited in the North American market, each promising to be a game changer in its own right. Let's break down their features, specs, and how they fit into your daily life. First of all, let's talk about the design and display, which is the most important part of a smartwatch. Think of it as the James Bond of smartwatches. Sleek, sophisticated, with a hint of classic charm. It likely boasts a rotating bezel, a signature of the Galaxy Watch series, adding an intuitive way to navigate the interface. The AMOLED display? Bright, crisp, and vibrant. Perfect for outdoor visibility in sunny Los Angeles or a gloomy day in Seattle. Xiaomi often goes for minimalism and efficiency. The Watch 2 Pro might not have the rotating bezel, but its clean lines and lightweight design make it a great accessory whether you're wearing a suit in a boardroom in Toronto or a t-shirt in a cafe in Austin. Now we are talking about hardware and performance. Samsung's likely to pack this with their latest Exynos chip, ensuring smooth performance whether you're switching between apps or tracking your marathon training. Expect robust RAM and storage, making it a mini computer on your wrist. Xiaomi watches traditionally focus on efficiency. The Watch 2 Pro might not rival the Galaxy in raw power, but it's optimized for battery life and smooth day-to-day operations. Perfect for those who need a reliable gadget without constant charging. Health and fitness is one of the most important features of a smartwatch. Samsung is known for comprehensive health tracking. Expect a suite of sensors monitoring everything from heart rate to blood oxygen, possibly even blood pressure. It's like having a health clinic on your wrist, ideal for fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals in New York or Vancouver. Xiaomi's approach is often more focused. While it may not have the breadth of sensors that Samsung offers, its accuracy and efficiency in tracking basic metrics like steps, heart rate, and sleep are top-notch. It's the go-to for users who want no fuss, reliable health tracking. Software and ecosystem running on Wear OS, integrated seamlessly with Samsung's ecosystem, it offers a rich app experience and excellent compatibility with other Samsung devices. It's like the perfect partner for your Galaxy smartphone, enhancing what you already love about Samsung's ecosystem. Xiaomi's version of Wear OS is likely to be cleaner and more minimalistic, emphasizing efficiency and ease of use. While it may not have as many specialized features as Samsung's version, it's perfect for users who appreciate a straightforward, uncluttered smartwatch experience. Now come to battery life and charging. Expect a day or two of battery life with regular use, thanks to its robust features and always-on display. The wireless charging is a convenient feature, aligning with the tech-savvy needs of a bustling lifestyle in cities like San Francisco or Toronto. Xiaomi might just edge out Samsung in battery life, offering several days on a single charge. This is great for travelers or those who disdain the daily charge routine. The trade-off? Potentially slower charging compared to Samsung's quick wireless charging. Now let's talk about price and value. Samsung's offerings are often on the pricier side, justified by their premium build and extensive feature set. It's an investment for those who want the best of smartwatch technology. Xiaomi is known for offering competitive features at a more accessible price point. It's the smart choice for budget-conscious consumers who still want a high-quality smartwatch experience. In summary, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is for those who seek a sophisticated, feature-rich companion to their Samsung ecosystem, perfect for tech enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals. The Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro, on the other hand, appeals to users seeking a minimalistic, efficient, and budget-friendly smartwatch for everyday use. Your choice depends on what you value most. Is it the comprehensive, luxurious experience of the Galaxy Watch or the streamlined, value-focused approach of the Xiaomi? Either way, you're getting a fantastic piece of technology to accompany you on your daily adventures. So that's all for today. If you liked the video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel, comment down below to share your thoughts, and if you want more comparison video.